Let's start the Abhyasa Karyam of Manushya Simhayoho Maitri. Let's do the Uchcharan of each word twice. Saurashtra Pradeshe. Saurashtra Pradeshe. In the Saurashtra place. Matra Valaha. Matra Valaha. Name of the farmer. Krishi Vatika. Krishi Vatika. Farm. Shati Grastah. Shati Grastah. Injured, wounded. Sushrusham. Sushrusham. Seva. Manushya Simhayoho. Manushya Simhayoho. Between a man and a lion. Satya Prasangasya. Satya Prasangasya. Of the true event. Sahayatartham. Sahayatartham. For the help. For the Sahayata. So as we see, this happened in this place of Saurashtra, Satadhar village. And the first question is same. Just the correction, if we are saying of the Matra, of a village of Matraval, so we will not say Matravalaha gram, we will say Matravalasya gramaha, that we learned just 2 chapters back, right? Matravalasya gramasya namakim. There is nothing called namaha. Please avoid that. I can't say mama namaha, Namrata. It's mama nama. Bhavataha, bhavatyaha nama. Right? So, nama. Matravalasya gramasya namakim. Saurashtra Pradeshe. Sattadhar gramasya samipe. Moti Maunapari namakaha gramaha. Matravalasya gramaha asti. Simple. Next are Nadyaha tate kasya krishi vatika asit. Whose farm was there on the bank of the river? Matravalasya. Of Matraval. Ekada simhaha swabhareya saha kutra agachat. Once upon a time, the lion with his wife came where? Nadim. To the river. Makaraha kasya vadam akarot. Although the question is kasya, if you don't know the answer, the question will be kasya in masculine. But according to your answer, it is sinhasya or bharyayaha, you will change the gender. Makaraha simha bharyayaha vadam akarot. Crocodile killed the lioness, meaning the wife of the lion. So bharya, and after that yaha means apostrophe s in English. Kaha shatigrastasya simhasya sushrusham akarot. Who cared for, who did service, seva for Simha, who was wounded? Matravalaha. You can also write Krishivallaha or Krishikaha, but we know the name of the character, so we will write the same. Matravalaha. So now we have been given some main roots, Mula Dhatu. We need to convert that into past tense. Okay? So these are the main roots, also called as Mula Dhatuhu. And now this is the Bhutakal, or according to Lakar, we can say Lang Lakar, past tense. For making the past tense, right now the structure is you add a, you write the main root, then again at. The reason I am writing at because as you can say pashya, ya is halant, but ya is complete here. It means वहाँ पे a आया होगा जिससे वो complete हुआ, and then you say ta. Gamagacha, to go. Agachat, went. So let us do it quickly and then we will discuss the meaning. Abhavat, happened. Pata apatat, apatat fell down. Avadat spoke. Avasat रहता था, he lived. Arakshat protected. Achalat walked. But here I have marked star because if you consider Kri Kara as the main, so we are not adding a in this case. We are adding something else, and that is O. So that's why this is most important and different in all of these. Akarot and not akarat. Akarot. Balakah pujam akarot. Balakah pathanam akarot. Now the story is long, but only 5 random sentences are selected. You need to know and arrange it in a manner that happened, the story happened. So arrange in a chronological order. Let us read and underline some hint words. Smashanatah eva saha vanam agachat. So from Smashan. So I believe this must be the end of the story because he is going back to the forest. Shatigrastasya simhasya sahayatartham tatra agachat. So farmer is going to help the lion. Nadyaha tate matravalah krishi vatika asid. It looks like an introduction sentence, but let us see. I write intro here in the bracket. I may be wrong. Let us read the rest. Matravalena saha, as I said, there is a mistake here. With Matraval, sarvatra brahmanam agarot. Meaning the lion is roaming here and there with the farmer. So they are together. He is together with the farmer. Dukhitaha simha nadhya tate avisar. So when was he dukhi? When his wife is dead, he took the revenge, and that time is dukhi. So our first sentence is out of these 5, ekam. There is a farm at the river bank. Second will be he is dukhi. Then farmer helped the wounded, the injured lion, and they were then together. And at the end, farmer died and he returned back to the forest. So our sequence is Pancha, Trini, Ekam, Chatvari and Dve. Same question of the past tense. पहले हमने मेन रूट मूल धातु को देखते हुए उसका पास्ट टेंस किया था. पथ अपतत, चल अचलत. Now we have to consider this present tense, the line, the word that I have underlined at the end of the line, and then convert it into past tense, present to past. But there is one change here. I found this very odd. First let us clear this. So when it was jalapanartham gacchati and when it would be past tense agachat, here there will be something different every time. Meaning this anuswar for gacchati, half ma for agachat. Whenever the next word is starting with a, e, swara, vowels, at that time we have to write half ma. If it is starting with kakhaga, any type of vyanjan consonant, our ma will be replaced with anuswar at the top. Is it clear? But here they have written anuswar and ma. That is very absurd. So let us very clearly, if there is ma in these two places we have to be very careful of how to say, how to write this ma. Makaraha simha bharyayaha vadham karoti. Makaraha simha bharyayaha vadham akarot. As I said, this is important and this is also important. Crocodile killed the lioness. Simhaha nishphalaha bhavati. Simhaha nishphalaha abhavat. I'll write it again because whenever we write any golakar, our shirorekha should not pass through it. It should be empty. So abhavat who? Lion became unsuccessful. Simhah griham kshetram cha rakshati. Simhah griham kshetram cha arakshat. The lion protected both the farms. I'll write it again like this. The lion protected both the farm and the house. Mananaha, now this is out of the chapter. Mananaha Porbandar Nagare Vasati. Now, if this boy used to live in Porbandar, so I will say Avasat, कि वो रहता था, अभी रहता नहीं है. He has changed the city. Balah Chalachitram Pashyati. Chalachitram is cinema, movie, video. Balah is a boy. Chalachitram with half ma. Pashyati will become apashyat. Like this. I wrote on the lioness. Chalachitram apashyat. Dekha. Very easy. Just be careful of vadhama karo. Chalachitram apashyat. कैसे हमने हाफ म लिखा है और अकरत नहीं अकरोत लिखा है. That is important. Next question is a form of a त्वा प्रत्यय where stha gam shru da pi bakri, all of these are main roots. उसके बाद हम एक ऐसा suffix लगाएंगे जिसमें त्वा होगा और उससे मीनिंग क्या चेंज हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल खादती टू ईट. खाद में अगर त्वा लगाएंगे तो इट विल बिकम खादित्वा, खाना खाने के बाद. अहम खादित्वा पठामि. आफ्टर ईटिंग I am reading. Okay, so as you can see, example also stha sthitva. So first let us change the word and then we will understand the meaning of the context. Whenever there is gum, we will cancel the ma. It will become directly ga twa. Shru, directly it will become shru twa. For da especially, be careful datva. But इसे हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे, otherwise it can look like a half ल. तो ये त को हम इस तरह से सिर्फ लाइन करेंगे like this. Datva. Piva, another word is pa. Pitva. Kri, simple. Kritva. So what is important? Only these two. Let us understand the meaning. Krishivallah vrukshatale sthitva nadyah jhalam apashyat. After sitting there on the bank of the river, the farmer saw the water, the river water. Shishyah shalam gatva abhyasam akarot. Student, after going to the pathashala, school, did all the studying. Abhyasam akarot. Bhaktah, devotee, katham shrutva. After listening to the spiritual stories of God, bhojanam agarot, went to eat. Bhikshukaya bhojanam dattva saha akhadat. He ate after giving the bhojan, giving food to the beggar. Shyamaha dugdam pitva shayanam akarot. Shyam went to sleep after drinking milk. Griha karyam kritva kridartham agachat. Who? It's not written, it can be anyone. Saha, sa, anyone. He or she. He or she went to play after doing the homework. Do you also go to krida? Griha karyam kritva or griha karyam akritva? And then mama has to call you, come back. Agachatu. Okay, I hope you got it. Twa 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 meaning after doing something, ye karne ke baad. Okay, so this was the last question. I hope to meet you again in class 9. If you are watching the videos and it's valuable to you, let me know in the comments, because now we have completed class 8 successfully. Both the semester, it was fun that you all learned all concepts, all grammar concepts, all chapters very nicely. So Shubhakamnaha to all of you. Meet you after vacation in the next class. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.